So, Shivoham, today we learn another bhajan today. Okay, so I don't know if it's a bhajan, but it's definitely a song and I love this song also. This is also on Devi Ma. But do you know which Devi? This is a Devi Ma called Devi Vishalakshi. Have you heard Vishalakshi Devi anytime? Anyone? Vishruta heard, Lahari Lasya. Anyone else? Prakrit also. Okay, very few of you. So, you know Kashi. You might have heard in another Kinkini session, Kashi. There, Devi Ma, one of the Devis there is Vishalakshi Devi. So, this is a very beautiful song on hers. Who would like to repeat after me today? We'll go turn by turn. Aradhya, you're sick, no, a little bit. You're fine singing, but I don't want you to stress and sing. That is the only reason. Because in LG class in the morning also, I remember. That's why I'm telling. Okay. If you want to just listen today, you can listen. Okay.
I did not want to say that. I wanted to say, can you first tell the song before we start repeating?
We will see. Okay. Then the full surprise will go off. No, then.
Okay.
Then if I tell full song, then you know how it sounds like. Otherwise, verses you compare it with, you learn little, 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 and then you connect the dots. Oh, this is the entire song. We'll do like that. Yeah. Okay. Manvit and Nitara, both of you will repeat one by one. First Manvit, then Nitara. All of you also, okay? Along with them. विश्वलोचनि अम्बा
Vishwalochani Amba.
Vishwa is word. Vishwalochani. Okay, whose eyes are just like the entire world. Amba's mother. Vishwalochani Amba.
Vishwalochani Amba.
No, not Vishwalo. No. Vishwalochani Amba.
Vishwalochani Amba.
Vishalakshi Ma.
Vishalakshi Ma.
Vishwalochani Amba.
Vishwalochani Amba.
Vishalakshi Ma.
Vishalakshi Ma.
Vishalakshi
Vishalakshi
Ma.
Ma.
Very good. Vishalakshi.
Vishalakshi.
No. Vishalakshi.
Vishalakshi
Very good. Ma.
Ma.
Vishalakshi Ma.
Vishalakshi Ma.
Vishwalochani Amba.
Vishwalochani Amba.
Vishalakshi Ma.
Vishalakshi.
Vishalakshi
Vishalakshi Ma.
like that, okay? Ma.
Ma.
Very good. Shri Guru Guha
Shri Guru Guha.
Janani
Janani.
Vishalakshi Ma.
Vishalakshi Ma.
Shri Guru Guha
Shri Guru Guha.
Janani
Janani.
Vishalakshi Ma.
Vishalakshi Ma.
Yes. Can mute now, Nitara. Vishwalochani Amba.
Vishwalochani Amba.
Vishalakshi Ma.
Vishalakshi Ma.
Vishwalochani Amba.
Vishwalochani Amba.
Vishalakshi Ma.
विशालाक्षि
मा
मा
मा सिंपल ट्यून
मा
श्री गुरु गुह
श्री गुरु गुह
जननी
जननी
विशालाक्षि मा
विशालाक्षि
श्री गुरु गुह जननी
श्री गुरु गुह जननी.
You have to be little more energetic, okay? Right now your voice is little lazy. You're like Shri Guru Guha. You know, when you enjoy and sing, I know you can do that also. Okay. Shri Guru Guha
श्री गुरु गुह
Janani
जननी
Vishalakshi Ma.
विशालाक्षि
Okay. Next, Amruta, will you try? Next line will go, okay? Mata Annapurne.
माता
All of you know Annapurna Devi? Yeah, she gives food, remember, to everyone. Mata Annapurne
माता
Bhuvaneshwari Ma.
परमेश्वरी माँ
Mata Annapurne
माता निपुण्ये
Annapurne Mata Annapurne
माता अन्नपूर्णे
Bhuvaneshwari Ma.
भुवनेश्वरी माँ
Sadguru Swarupini.
स्वत सद्गुरु
We'll take it a little low. I think it's very high. Who's feeling it's a little high? Is your throat straining a little bit? Okay. Sadguru Swarupini.
सद्गुरु स्वरूपिणी
Sadguru Swarupini. Devi Ma, who's just like a guru to us also. Sadguru Swarupini.
सत्कर सद्गुरु स्वरूपिणी
Very good. Sadguru
सद्गुरु
Swarupini.
स्वरूपिणी
Bhuvaneshwari Ma.
भुवनेश्वरी माँ
Rajeshwari Ma.
राजेश्वरी माँ
Bhuvaneshwari Ma.
भुवनेश्वरी माँ
Mata Annapurneshwari Ma.
माता अन्नपूर्णेश्वरी माँ
Now it's gone too low, right? Um, let's try to find some other pitch. Hmm. Vishwalochani. That's how we started. So, Vishwalochani Amba. Repeat after me. Vishwalochani Amba.
विश्वलोचनी अम्बा
Vishalakshi Ma.
विशालाक्षी माँ
Devi Ma who has wide eyes. Vishala. Vishala means huge. Right? In Kannada,
Yeah,
is there Vishala in, or Hindi Vishal? Have you heard anywhere, anytime? Vishala Bhagide. You've not
my
heard?
cousin's name is Vishal.
Huh. Correct. So Vishal means, that bigness. Devi Ma has huge eyes. Vishalakshi Ma.
विशालाक्षी माँ
Vishwalochani Amba.
विश्वलोचनी अम्बा
Vishalakshi Ma.
विशालाक्षी माँ
Manvit, you have to repeat, okay? श्रीगुरुगुह
श्रीगुरुगुह
जननी
जननी
Devima is the mother of Guru Guha, right? Skandagurunatha. Guru Guha is also Skandagurunatha's name. Shri Guru Guha Janani
श्रीगुरुगुह जननी
Vishalakshi Ma
विशालाक्षी मा
Mata Annapurne
माता अन्नपूर्णे
Bhuvaneshwari Ma.
भुवनेश्वरी मा
Now it's going to be high. Sadguru Swarupini
सद्गुरु सद्गुरु स्वरूपिणी
Bhuvaneshwari Ma
भुवनेश्वरी मा
Rajeshwari Ma.
राजेश
Correct, you're singing very nicely. Rajeshwari Ma.
राजेश्वरी मा
Devi, she is the Lord of all kings, even the kings. Rajeshwari Ma.
राजेश्वरी मा
Bhuvaneshwari Ma.
भुवनेश्वरी मा
Devi Ma, who's the Devi of the entire Bhuvana, this world also, this universe also. Bhuvaneshwari Ma.
भुवनेश्वरी मा
Mata Annapurneshwari Ma.
माता अन्नपूर्णेश्वरी मा
Ma Jai Jai Ma.
मा जय जय मा
Very good. Ma Jaya Jaya Ma.
मा जय जय मा
Ma Jai Jai Ma.
मा
No,
जय जय
no. Ma
मा
Jai Jai Ma.
जय जय मा
Ma Jaya Jaya Ma.
मा जय जय मा
Ma Jaya Jaya Ma.
मा जय जय मा
Jaya Jaya Ma.
जय जय मा
Okay, this is the entire song. Okay. Medha, can you repeat? Vishwalochani Amba.
विश्वलोचनि अम्बा
Vishalakshi Ma.
विशालाक्षि मा
Vishwalochani Amba.
विश्वलोचनि अम्बा
You're doing Chani Amba. That's not it. Vishwalochani
विश्वलोचनि
Amba.
अम्बा
Vishalakshi Ma.
विशालाक्षि मा
Ma.
मा
Vishwalochani Amba.
विश्वलोचनि अम्बा
Lochani Amba.
लोचनि अम्बा
Chani Amba.
चनि अम्बा
Vishalakshi Ma.
विशालाक्षि मा
Shri Guru Guha.
श्रीगुरुगुहा
all of you over here, you have to learn Shri Guru Guha, the same tune, okay? Shri Guru Guha.
Shri Guru Guha.
Yes. Janani.
Janani.
Vishalakshi Ma.
Vishalakshi Ma.
Shri Guru Guha Janani.
Shri Guru Guha Janani.
Vishalakshi Ma.
Vishalakshi Ma.
Mata Annapurne. Okay. Mata Annapurne. Mata
Mata
Annapurne.
Annapurne.
Mata
Mata na
Annapurne.
Purne.
Bhuvaneshwari Ma.
Bhuvaneshwari Ma.
Very good. Mata Annapurne.
Mata Annapurne.
Yes. Bhuvaneshwari Ma.
Bhuvaneshwari Ma.
Sadguru Swarupini.
Rishithan, I'm not able to get it.
No problem. Sadguru
Sadguru
Swarupini. Okay. Swarupini.
Swarupini.
Sadguru Swarupini.
Sadguru Swarupini.
You got the tune, no?
Hmm.
Pitch and all, no problem. Bhuvaneshwari Ma. You can sing. Bhuvaneshwari Ma.
Bhuvaneshwari Ma.
Sadguru Swarupini.
Sadguru Swarupini.
Bhuvaneshwari Ma.
Bhuvaneshwari Ma.
Rajeshwari Ma.
Rajeshwari Ma.
Bhuvaneshwari Ma.
Bhuvaneshwari Ma.
Mata Annapurneshwari Ma.
Ma.
Mata
Matana
Annapurneshwari Ma.
Purneshwari Ma.
Rajeshwari Ma.
Rajeshwari Ma.
Bhuvaneshwari Ma.
Bhuvaneshwari Ma.
This is Bhuvaneshwari Namavali you have heard, learnt, no? Same
Hmm.
Bhuvaneshwari Devi. Bhuvaneshwari Ma.
Bhuvaneshwari Ma.
Mata Annapurneshwari.
Matanapu.
You don't have to be very perfect also, okay? It's fine. Little bit here and there will go, so no problem. It's a bhajan. Learn it as a bhajan. There you can make mistakes. Mata Annapurneshwari.
MatanaPurneshwari.
Ma.
Ma.
Yes. Ma Jai Jai Ma.
Ma. Jai Jai Ma.
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 Ma Jaya Jaya Ma.
Ma. Jaya Jaya Ma.
Ma. Jaya Jaya Ma.
मा जय जय मा
जय जय मा
जय जय मा
Yes. Now I will sing the entire song. All of you just close your eyes and listen to me. You don't have to sing now. Just listen to me. Close your eyes. Hmm. विश्वलोचनि अम्ब विशालाक्षि मा विश्वलोचनि अम्ब विशालाक्षि मा श्रीगुरुगुहजननी विशालाक्षि मा श्रीगुरुगुहजननी विशालाक्षि मा विश्वलोचनि अम्ब विशालाक्षि मा विश्वलोचनि अम्ब विशालाक्षि मा श्रीगुरुगुहजननी विशालाक्षि मा श्रीगुरुगुहजननी विशालाक्षि मा माता अन्नपूर्णे भुवनेश्वरि मा माता अन्नपूर्णे भुवनेश्वरि मा सद्गुरुस्वरूपिणी भुवनेश्वरि मा सद्गुरुस्वरूपिणी भुवनेश्वरि मा राजेश्वरि मा भुवनेश्वरि मा माता अन्नपूर्णेश्वरि मा राजेश्वरि मा भुवनेश्वरि मा माता अन्नपूर्णेश्वरि मा मा जय जय 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 मा जय जय मा जय जय मा Keep your eyes closed. We'll do the Shanti Patha.